Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to create a Microsoft account on your PC or laptop. Right? If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead and open up your favorite browser. Now, go ahead and go to signup.live.com. All right, again, signup.live.com. And once done, just click on it. Wait for it to load. And then once it loads, go ahead and enter your Gmail. Okay, it could be Yahoo Mail or Outlook. All right, and once done, just hit on next. Wait for it to load, and once it loads, as you can see here, it needs a verification code. So just go ahead and open up this email. Right here, as you can see, I have received an email. I'm going to click on it, and then I'm going to go ahead and double click on the number right here, then right click and click on copy. Once done, go back to the sign up website. Now just Control V to paste. Wait for it. Now go ahead and add in some details as it says here. Just basically follow simple prompts. I'm going to go ahead and select the region right here, the month, or basically your birthday. Hit on next, and then add in your first name and last name. All right, and then hit on next. And then here, just follow the simple verification process. It says here press and hold. Just go ahead and press and hold by just using your left mouse button. There you go. Wait for it. Now in the next page, just click on OK right here. As you can see, you just made your Microsoft account. You can go ahead and click on yes or no if you want to stay signed in. I'm just going to hit on no because my main account is logged into the same browser. On the next page right here, it will ask you if you want to connect your authenticator or maybe an authenticator app. Okay, or add your phone number like so. Just basically follow simple prompts. If not, you can close it. Okay, and here you have your Microsoft account. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.